It is my pleasure to welcome you to this Entrepreneurial Executive Leadership Workshop 2026.
This workshop, you'll agree with me, comes at a critical time for higher education. Society now expects universities to become active drivers of innovation, economic development, employability, social impact, as well as inclusive growth.
In navigating challenges ahead of us, we are making a clarion call for leaders to convert intent into implementation, to convert implementation into demonstrable societal impact, which advancing the transformation agenda of our country.
Our innovation paradigm is rooted in the discovery science.
Let's define what is a productive graduate for our own economy.
Through this collaboration, APSA is supporting a national effort to strengthen entrepreneurial ecosystem across 26 public universities, connecting students, institutions, industry, and markets in more entrepreneurial, practical ways.
Those of us who have been privileged to receive education, skills and experiences, and even power must be role models for the next generation of leadership. Until you dig a hole, you plant a tree, you water it, and make it survive, you haven't done a thing. You are just talking.
The department remains firmly committed to promoting entrepreneurship and innovation within higher education. And we also wish to acknowledge and thank USAF and the EDHE colleagues for its leadership, for its vision and dedication to implementing the EDHE program alongside the department and universities. And we also thank you for actively mobilizing additional resources, partnerships and strategic support to strengthen this initiative, and we thank those partners as well.
It has actually been the function of the Innovation Agency to catalyze and accelerate the role of the universities in their contribution to innovation system, and making it a lot more intentional and deliberate in the way a number of things are run in the universities.
Thank you so much to all the speakers, all our partners, colleagues. Thank you so much.